Hello cleaning crew, thanks for joining me in another clean with me. Although a lot of us are home more nowadays, it can be even more difficult for some of us to get motivated to do things around the house. I know I feel that way sometimes too. My hope is that these videos are serving their purpose of getting you motivated and energized to get done whatever you need around the house. If you're new here, my name is Eng and I make cleaning, cooking, home decor, and everyday lifestyle content and upload a new video each week. I'd appreciate it so much if you subscribed and help me out by giving this video a thumbs up. Now let's get cleaning. I actually started the day off by making my bed and doing some laundry, but right now you see that the video is showing me in the kitchen. I think my last 2 or even 3 videos might have started me out making the bed, and I just wanted to change up the opening of the video. I feel limited to what all I can do around this place because I do live in an apartment and have been holding off on a lot of home decor because it's a time of uncertainty for me. And I honestly don't want to put in the time or money if my living situation is going to be changing soon. So that's just been a fear of mine and it's been holding me back from a lot of things.
Everybody's been saying that you're up to no good. Everyone has been telling me that you got me hooked. You're playing it big time.
This is kind of random to throw into this cleaning video, but I all of a sudden got super thirsty while working in the kitchen and I had a huge craving for some super ice cold iced tea. I've been obsessed with this peach iced tea from Bigelow. I can only find it at Harris Teeter and I get 2 boxes at a time because we go through this pretty fast, and I also want to leave some for other folks too. I steep 2 bags in some hot water with a lemon wedge for about 3 minutes. Then I add some honey, stir, and fill the rest of the glass up with cold water, and I let it sit in the freezer for 2 to 3 hours so it gets cold without adding ice because my ice tastes pretty weird. I'm telling you, nothing is more refreshing than an ice cold iced tea after you've been cleaning all day.
You're feeding me lies. Everyone has been bugging me to sever the ties, but I would never, ever would have believed them. No reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but now the never, ever seem to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me.
I'm just about done loading everything that needs to be put in the dishwasher, and I'm getting ready to hand wash the items that need to be hand washed. I spray down the area on the counter where I'll be laying down the drying mat with a Lysol cleaner. I like to rotate the countertop cleaners between Method and Mrs. Meyer's as well. After all the dishes are done, I'm going to be scrubbing down the sink with some soft scrub with bleach. This is my go-to cleaner for the sinks, showers, and bathtubs. I also throw in that orange drain strainer into the dishwasher whenever I run it.
Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. Should've known by your rap sheet that you weren't nice, but now I am telling you I'm going to smile. But I would never, ever would have believed them. No reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but now the never, ever seem to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or 2 I won't remember who you are. Man down, he ran out of luck and now it's my time. Ain't no looking back, I'm on the right track. Here she goes. Lucky, lucky, lucky me.
I gave the pots on the drying mat some time to dry as I wiped down the rest of the kitchen, so now it's time to dry them off and put them away. Having them sit on the countertop all day bugs me because it looks so cluttered and I'll need that space later to prep for dinner. I've already thrown the placemats into the laundry room and will replace it with some clean ones after I wipe down the table. Nate actually picked out this dining set and I think it's so cute and perfect for the three of us. The color is spot on the same as the cabinets in our house. To wipe down the table and chairs, I'm using the Method Cleaner in the sea salt and lime scent. I think it smells so dang good and I didn't expect it to smell the way that it does. It's almost like a masculine but subtly fresh scent. The only reason I bought it was because it was such a steal from Costco and I couldn't pass up on it. It included the lavender and another scent, I forgot what it was called. But it was only $7.79 for all 3 bottles. Usually they're at least around $3 a bottle if you were to buy it elsewhere like at Target. Like I said, I did make my bed the first thing in the morning. Then later in the day, I changed out my son's bed sheets and threw them in the wash. Here in the living room, I'm going to give everything a quick dusting. We don't spend a lot of time in here, so it doesn't get bad at all. This photo ledge has been a work in progress for months. I don't have any photos to put in the frames yet, so still deciding if I should get some more frames. That tan sign is just being stored there. I think the color of it just isn't right, so I might just paint over it and make my own quote. Now moving on to the master bath. We have 2 bathrooms and I only cleaned this one today and cleaned the second one the day after. I keep on getting PTSD when I go to the bathroom now because let me tell you about last night. I walked into the bathroom with no glasses on and heard something fall onto the floor and it made this click sound, and I saw that what I thought was a giant spider scrambling across the floor and it hid behind the garbage can. So of course I freaked out and I ran back to our room to get Nate, and then I also put on my glasses. So as we were walking back to the bathroom, I see it running full force out of the bathroom onto the carpet towards us, and it was the biggest cockroach beetle looking bug I've ever seen. It was about the size of an adult's big toe. Nate threw a flip-flop at it and it ended up sidetracking and it ran under the door into the main part of the house. And at this point, my heart just sank and I knew that it was gone and we were never going to see it again. And I'm just going to have a cockroach crawl all over me at night when I sleep. But Nate did find it and let it outside. So yeah, that's my giant bug story. One of the downsides of living in the South are the bugs. They are supersized and they are everywhere. I think this one got in through the bathroom fan. They cut the hole in the ceiling for the fan way too big, so the fan is popped out of the ceiling and there's this huge gap in the ceiling that I think it could have come through. Can you imagine a giant bug falling on you while you're handling your business? I'm gonna have these thoughts in my head for a while. Moving on to the last task in this bathroom, which is the shower. I normally don't clean the shower on the same day, but since I'm only cleaning one bathroom, I might as well. Plus, there is some reoccurring mold that's growing on the caulking that I can't bear to look at anymore. It keeps on coming back, so I'm going to be recaulking this shower with a mold-proof version. Again, I'm using soft scrub with bleach to target the moldy areas and using a toothbrush to apply it. Then I'll let it sit for a few minutes to work its magic. I'm just reusing this Mrs. Meyer's bottle because the cap of the soft scrub bottle broke off. If you caught me looking up and laughing, it's because the soap dispenser on the wall popped off the base as I was trying to wipe the cleaner off, and I was struggling to put it back on. And when I looked up, Nate was watching me, and I was asking him how long he was standing there for. Of course, he saw the entire thing. I should have kept the audio for entertainment purposes, but I think I might just include it in the end as gag reel. So just stay tuned until the end and see if I put it there. At the end of each shower, I've been using a squeegee to help dry off the walls and glass. It keeps them looking cleaner for longer, especially if you have hard water. Another must-have in the shower or bathtub are one of these removable shower heads. It makes cleaning a breeze, and especially if you have kids or pets to bathe. I see some cleaning videos where they're struggling and using cupfuls of water to clean the bathtub or the shower. Just get one of these shower heads and you will be so relieved. It feels like I've been cleaning all day, but I did take a break to recharge the camera's battery. It's now 5 in the evening and close to dinner time, so I'm gonna end this video here and get that started. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe so you can see me with a new video in a few days. Thanks so much for watching and happy cleaning. Hi babe, what are you doing?
I'm watching a live stream. The live view, live video.
How long have you been standing there?
You want to have to watch you almost break your thing?